Oh, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Okay, sissy bars, nice and sensible price. These particular sissy bars made by Mappam Italy, or they were. Okay, available for quite a big range of bikes, and these are some of the options we've got. So this particular one here is for Virago 750 1100, which I think you'll have a hell of a job now to get one anyway. We've got the Punisher skull, dreaded Harley Davidson design. Okay, so if you're a Punisher, get this. If you're a normal biker, get this with the flames. Or we also do it with a similar design to this in the back as well, matching racks, the Punisher skull or a normal rack. Okay, so basically sissy bars for pretty well everything. Kawasaki, Triumph, you know, you name it, Harley, whatever it is, even Victory we do. Give us a call. We got saddlebag supports as well. We've got Ford controls or masses of stuff for your bike. See customcruisers.com or see the new site customcruisers.eu, but do not believe the post because it's bloody crazy. Okay, phone up or just buy it and call us, all right, and we will refund the postage because it should not be 38 quid to Britain. Okay, thanks and stay safe. Customcruisers.com or 01773 XV5666. Thank you.